Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to show you exactly why no one talks about images at all, even though it is the most important part of your Amazon listing. So in this video I am going to talk to you, and also I am going to show you some very good examples of main images as well as the rest images, the dimensional images, what's in the box image, then your lifestyle images, everything. I'm going to show you some examples and some great examples of those. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you how you can hire someone to get the most converting eye-catching images for your products, and even how I can help you in that. Not only product images but also 3D rendering model of your products. That is the hot topic right now that is going into this Amazon space. If you are not doing 3D rendering of your main image, as well as when you do 3D rendering, they will prepare the model and you can use it for the rest images as well. You can adjust your lighting to whichever angle you want, and even you do not have to send your products for this purpose. Now what I see maximum sellers does is they basically goes and copies someone's listings images and just uploads the same, and the sizes of those images are very low. It will be like couple of kbs, and you need high quality images with very high size, so that when it gets compressed by the Amazon system, and then your images will still look very good whenever a customer zooms on them. And even sellers complains about high ACOS without even looking at their listings main images, whether the main image is going to convert or not, because only when a customer searches the product, the only thing that they actually come across is your main image. They know nothing about it. They are not yet jumped into their listing, your listing, to see the bullet points and all. They only get your main image to see, and that main image actually converts whether your customer that is looking at into your main image is going to purchase that or not. It depends on only the main image, how appealing it is, how eye catching it is, and how much it can convert to a sale. Now I have actually done the same. When I was starting out, I used to copy the listings images, and then I used to upload that on my product image part, and then what used to happen is Amazon used to suppress my listing, as well as I used to get a lot of infringement cases, and that obviously results in a bad account health. And like if you do that for a long time, Amazon will take the opportunity to sell in their platform as well. So I have launched a lot of products, and I know exactly what type of images converts the most. So let's do one thing. Let's jump into my computer and let me show you exactly some very good examples of 3D rendering as well as main images. And I used to study these images a lot, because when you are giving this product to your product photographer or a graphic designer, you have to know exactly what you want out of those images to look like. So let me just jump to my computer and show you exactly how good images should look like. So guys, here are a few examples of images. Let me share. So these are basically your what's in the box image. Now this is very important to show what's in the box to the customers, because it will increase your conversion to a next level. I generally push it to the fourth or fifth image. Okay, and I have it in the A plus content as a must. So let me just scroll it down. Okay, this is a product, and you can see the kind of detail of the images. Okay, here's another one. This image is not that of like great, but still, because it seems a little bit busy for me, because they have kind of done very bad job with the shadows and all. Okay, these are not shadows at all. They have just did a parallel copy of this. Oh, this is another one. This is another one. This is a good image. Okay, because the background kind of matches so well with this. There's another one. Okay, so this is another one of the same product. What's in the box? Another type of that. Okay. Okay, this is actually the full products or images of this particular product. So here you see they have kind of, I think this image was made for a particular season. Okay. And this is the infographics they are providing. Okay. Again, do not provide so much of text in the image. Never. Okay. This small text was okay, but they have made this, but customer will generally not read that. Okay. I have tested all these out. Only this particular small text are okay. Okay. Maximum your one line sentence is okay. This is also another one. Okay, here you see another one. This looks great. Okay, this looks great. This is the dimension here showcasing. Now you see they have this kind of the colors matches so well with the color of the product and all. Here is another one. This is another infographics. Okay, this is a kind of lifestyle image. Okay, now I'm sure they have actually replaced the background or something like that. That can be easily done. Okay, this is also a lifestyle image. And this lifestyle image they have focused on the product. Okay, let's look at another one. So this is another one. Okay, this is another one. This is a main image. They have another main image most probably. This is your another one image as well as infographics as well as dimensions. They have made all in one single video. Now this is also now text. There is a lot of text written here. Okay, paragraphs which no customers will read. Okay, first of all won't go and zoom the image. Okay, now some customers does, but these letters will be so small when they actually see the images. So only this first chunk of text is okay, but the next paragraph is not at all okay. Some lifestyle images as well. Okay, this is another image. Now they haven't actually put the shadows on this particular product. Okay, they may like this one. Okay, the shadows would have enhanced their image a lot. This is the dimensional images. This is in use. This is also in use as well as some. Now this type of icon is really converts. Like it really generates a lot of conversions. Not a lot of text, but still the icons actually tells a lot. Small text as well as lifestyle images. Here's another product. Okay, here's the infographics. Now for this wooden texture, actually green colors goes good. Okay, light green, but they have actually this looks really vibrant, not that much good because of the color choosing of the color here. Okay, I will show you one example as well. Okay, in the green, but still kind of my motive is to show the infographics here. Okay, a lot of chunks of text which is not text. Now this may be a little bit smaller text, so they may have put those, but these are really unnecessary here. Okay, even if they have just used the first sentence, that would have done more better job. This is a great lifestyle image as well. Here's another one. Okay, here you see the green color actually looks good in this brown color thing. Okay, now lifestyle images obviously depends on the cost of the model and the type of product. This is another product. Just look at the kind of details they have captured during cropping it from the background as well. Okay, this is actually really good infographics. Very less amount of text and really big, so that customer can not have to actually zoom it. Okay, this is a dimension image, very good dimension image. Wow, the images looks really good. This is some example of infographics as well. Okay, this is obviously 3D rendered images. This one also. See the infographics, it is really great. Okay, this one as well. This is also this type of images actually works really good. Okay, this icons with some small text. This is also good. See how much less amount of text they're using. This images converts the most. Okay, this is also really good infographic. Now this may look a little bit busy, but still maybe it's converting for them. This is also very busy image. Okay, a lot of text. This is great. This is a great image. This is a great image. This one as well. Now the text, we may have reduced the text and it would work a little bit better. Okay, this is a 3D rendered image as well. See the graphics and the colors that goes along with the images. Okay, this is also a very good image. This is also obviously a 3D rendered one. Now here you see the green goes so well with this your bamboo color things. Okay, so many text, which is not at all converting like that much. I'm sure. No,
No customers are going to read this amount of chunk of text. This is good. This is good. This is also really good. The small text actually works really good. Now here you see this color looks so good in this particular product. Okay. Now they have added a lot of text here, but they what they could do is they could actually create a plus content by this. Okay. So here's few examples of enhanced brand content. Okay. Now enhanced brand content, I generally do not prefer adding so much text. Okay. I generally put the text in the images like this. Okay. And I cover all like my plus content do not look like they are a break of images. Okay. They look like they are a piece of a single image. Okay. Like the background melts with the images so that there is no separation like this. Like you can tell that this is a separate image, this is a separate image. But for my product images, no one can tell that. And that actually looks really good and converts really high. And so many text, you shouldn't actually add that. Okay. This one also as well. Okay. Now I have a particular template which is actually converting a really good. Okay. These are some examples of A plus content. Okay. Here are some more examples of products. The color goes so much good with this. It looks so good in this color. The color is really good. Just look at the attention to detail of the shadows and all. Okay. Those are really important. Here as well. This is a very good image. Okay, now this paper sleeves, you can actually do that for your products as well. Okay, and that will actually do a branding of your package as well as cost very less, as well as you can do it at a very low MOQ as well. Okay, you can add it to your boxes. And the colors actually melts with the image. Really, really good. The color looks really fabulous. Now you tell the images that you are using and these images. Okay, which one is going to convert for a sale? And obviously, this one will have a very low ACOS as well. So now let me show you some examples of 3D rendering, very good 3D rendering. Okay. So these are actually a few examples of 3D rendering, how this works. Okay. These are basically 3D models of products, not original products. Okay. These are not original products. But in 3D rendering, what you can do is you can adjust the lighting according to whichever part you want. Okay. You can change the direction of light to this angle, everything. Here you see this is another one. Now this obviously looks like real life. Now 3D rendering usually cost a little bit higher. Okay. But the kind of investment you are putting into, you will get the return very quickly. There's certain type of products in which 3D rendering actually looks really good, some kind of plastic products or steel products. Okay, and if it is a very complex product with a lot of parts in it, then it maybe there that wouldn't look that good. Okay. So these were actually few examples of those. Okay, now I know exactly what type of images converts the most. Okay, I've tested a lot of images. Okay, I use Canva to create a replica of image that I want to look like my images should look like. Then I provide that to the designer and the product photographer as well. Okay, so I kind of now created a whole system like how images works, but it took a lot of time for me to actually think of that, and obviously it took a lot of money as well to kind of test and do everything. But right now, it looks like I have kind of cracked the whole system regarding the main image, the rest of the images, then A plus content, then product videos. I do not do any kind of like professional kind of product videos that looks like only shows the products and all. What converted the most, I have tried that. Okay, I have tried. My factory had those product videos. I have taken those, and those videos not convert that much. And instead, if we have the influencer do a video in a natural way that converts the most. Still, this is not that type of nature like showing his lifestyle and all. It's a different kind of video where she will or he will only show your product and demonstrate about your product, how it works and not. Okay, and those videos actually converts the most, and those actually looks real as well.
So after all this testing, after all these years of selling, launching products, I have now created my own product photography team. And I will be personally looking after every projects that my team is doing. Starting from product photography, I will guide them from the exact angle they need to click the image, as well as I will guide them for the exact infographics that is needed, as well as if you are taking a service to do the 3D rendering, okay, the 3D rendering model of your product, then trust me, it is going to convert a lot more than what you are thinking. And if you are giving images a very less importance and giving the product research more importance, then trust me, they do not work single-handedly. They work together. A good product without a good image, it is not going to convert at all. Your impressions will be high, you will get less clicks, as a result your clicks price will be very high, which in turn your cost will be at the roof. So after all these product launches, I know that images is a part of your investment. Whenever I launch a product, I separate a amount of money particularly for images, A plus content, product videos. Now I obviously give this product videos also as a service, and if you want those product videos also, it will be basically influencer video. Influencers will be doing videos for you, and that converts the most because I have tested those for my products. And and like normal commercial video of a product just showing different angle of your product, that is not going to convert. If an influencer, which service I am providing, if those videos are in your listing, trust me, your listing is going to convert like crazy. I have done those with my products, with jumping into very high competitive markets, and still I am the only seller that is crushing it. So how this whole process is going to work? So you have to send your product to us for product photography, then we will prepare the images, main image, infographics, if you want those lifestyle images as well. Now if you need 3D rendering of your product, then you do not have to send your products, but it is still good to send your products. Then we will click the images from different angles so that the 3D renderer could actually prepare the model. And then you also need A plus content. We also do this A plus content because your images, your listing, your A plus content should go in a particular theme. Everything should match with each other. And if you're doing images and your A plus content do not match with the theme of a listing, then it will be like look really unprofessional. And I know exact template, exact modules that you have to use for your A plus content that will convert the most, because I have tested with my unit session percentages a lot, and I know which type of A plus content converts the most. I have also listened to a lot of international sellers who are into this particular thing that does this A plus content particularly, and I know which type of modules converts the most. So if you want us to create the images for your products and provide the product photography, as well as you can take the service of A plus content, as well as product videography, product videos as well. So you can just email me at connectwithsammy@gmail.com, or you can also email me at sammy@privatelabelmachines.com. My WhatsApp number is also provided below, as well as my email address is also provided below. You can actually go and email me or WhatsApp me. My team will be there to reply you. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in the next video.